Turn that frown upside down by mastering the art of Shopify refunds and keeping your customers happy. First, log into your Shopify admin and click on Orders. This will bring you to a list of all your store's orders. Now, select the order you need to refund by clicking on its order number. This takes you to the Order Details page. On the Order Details page, find and click the Refund button, usually located near the top right or bottom of the page. A refund window will pop up here. You can specify the refund amount. You can issue a full refund or a partial refund by adjusting the quantity of items being returned and their associated prices. If the customer is returning the product, make sure the Restock Items checkbox is selected so the inventory gets updated and is available for other shoppers to buy. Decide if you want to refund the shipping cost as well by checking the Refund shipping box. It all depends on your store policies and your agreement with the customer. Next, select a reason for the refund from the drop-down menu. This helps you track why refunds are happening and improve your store later on. Keep your customer in the loop. Ensure the Notify Customer checkbox is selected so they receive an email about the refund. Finally, review all the details and then click the Refund button at the bottom of the window to process the refund. The Order Details page will now reflect the refund transaction. You can view the details of the refund at any time, and that's it. You've successfully processed a refund on Shopify, building trust, one return at a time.